Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel One Do Step, where today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can log in into NAB bank account. To do so, just follow some simple steps that I will show you on this video, and then you can log into your bank account as well. First of all, just open up your Google browser and then go into your search bar and just type for NAB bank login and hit on enter. After you do so, many results will pop up on your screen. You can just click the first link that shows up, and after doing so, it will take you to the official login site of NAB Bank. And here on the left hand side, you can see that you need to input your NAB ID and password to continue to your bank account. Now, just input your NAB ID here and password. But in case you forgot your ID or even your password, you can use this button below to help you reset and retrieve it. And if you are using your private computer, you can tick this box, remember my NAB ID, for easier access next time. But I would not recommend you doing so if you are using a public computer. Now, after inputting your personal details, and then just tap on login, and then you'll be logged in into your NAB bank account. And that's how you can log in into your NAB internet banking account. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find the video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for reviews and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.